Becca. Don't wanna let it go. Maybe my love will come back someday. Only and maybe I hope to find anyway. Becca. But only heaven. Hi, Mapsi. Hi, thank you for watching. Thank you for the likes. Thumbs up. Thank you so much. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe my love will come back someday. Uy. Gigil ako. What are you doing? Only heaven knows, and maybe I hope to find. Ouch. Ew. Araw. Aray ko man. Okay. Meow. 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 Is that your daughter? No, she's my niece. My brother's daughter. Remember, I have one kid. It's a boy. Her name is Ashley. She's Ashley. Ow. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe my love will come back someday.
Ay, nanay ko. Maano ako dun sa... Ay, mali. Yes! Minero ko yun. Ba't mo?
Bye, tita.
Start na!
Thank you for watching, everyone.
Maglansilot ka kay balot dapat.
Thank you so much. Ow.
Mabani ako. Tama ka, Marcelo. Pagpagsangan pa yun.
Happy birthday!
Seven. Wala kayo. Paingit lang ako.
Ow.
Uy, nagana na binalan. Ano, Pins? Tignan ko ba siya? Durog yung na ako. Kaya, Pin. Ako na yung punta ka. Pananiwala. Ay!
Aday ko.
Hindi na. Lugi ako.
Only heaven knows, maybe hope to find.
Ay, Kuya Pin, ano gamitin mo?
Oh my God.
Balot na lang. Balmon plus lang sila at balot. Ano ito? In the world.
Ay, sorry. Bayan.
Ba't nagtira sila na lang ako? Ano kay Zaz? ano? Argus. Bruno, nice. The Beatrix. Lagi na Kuya Ben. Surrender na. Surrender na yun eh. Defender. Nakakauna ako.
Kumain ka na.
Naingat ka na. Bakal mo sa Chris.
Ayun to. Tunga ka mo sa tanan squad dito ba sa bag ko. Kuhaan chinilas. Thank you for 3 people. Yes. Jan po. Sa Luyo.
Ha?
Sa Luyo. Sa taas. Sa taas. Di, alihan mo mauna. Dito. Yan. Ganyanin mo na. May zipper dyan. Yan. Thank you for 3 million.
Nana?
Don't wanna let her go.
May buhatin mo ako rin.
Maybe my love will-
Tita King. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Buhatin mo kami Kuya Ben. Oo. Oo, ano nila bili? Oo, ano?
I do live later. I do live in few minutes again. Thank you for watching.